We've lived here for almost 50 years. So needless to say, our flower beds and garden have changed a lot over the years. There was no garage, and the house had not a single plant around it. So over the years, that has changed. Our hostas do well in Minnesota. They like our temperatures. They like the moisture that we get. I like my hostas a little bit bigger. And when they do grow and spread, I have at times divided them, but I really like them when they get really big and they fill in your flower bed. And yet they can get by with a little more dryness that we've had lately. And then, as you can see, this is Wolverine. The stripes, the yellow, it's so bright with the green, 2 shades of green in the leaves. And as you can see, I like to put little embellishments, little fluffy things in the flower beds so that we have the plants, but you have something a little more interesting to look at. Here we have a few different things. We have a mushroom and a flying bird. And then we go into a stilbe, which is a plant that also likes the shade, and that comes in, as you can see, heights, shorter ones and tall ones. And I have a swan. I love odd things just to add a little interest to your flower bed. I have a bee house. This is a mason bee house. You drill the holes, the bees come along and fill it in. In the spring, you need to drill the holes out again so that the new bees can come in. I have a bird cage only because the plant that I have there has been eaten by bunnies or something, and so I'm protecting them. And then it also adds a little bit of interest.
Is that an old mailbox you have right here?
Yes, it is. My neighbor threw it in the ditch. And I went and I asked him, I said, you know, do you mind if I take it out? He said no. And then inside we have a little bird to make it interesting. And then the white is a sweet autumn clematis. I have that in a number of different places, and that spreads just from the birds will spread it. It smells so wonderful.